What?
Real bed.
Real bed with real men.
We were having a dinner. And we got a salad, I think. With some, I don't know, small kind of fish. We kind of got full on that. And then we got another meal. And that was a soup, I think.
Bosh.
And then we got real full. Then we got a third one, the main course.
Then comes the main course. Along comes the fucking main course.
and the best part of everything, then we got a fourth one. Oh no.
Polite as we are, we try to cleanse the plates, eat up everything, but that wasn't a very smart move.
The thing is, we're so used to the Trans-Siberian railway food that when you order like a chicken, that's what you get, a piece of chicken like this big.
You didn't even eat the fourth.
And I was trying to not to laugh when they brought it in because I was so full. Are you getting any wiser?
Yes, I am. We just learned how to interpret the timetable, because there are two different times. One for when the train arrives at the station you're in, and one time for when it departs. Practically, you can say that I'm a native Russian by now.
You look like a Russian.
Okay, well, do we have some white powder? I'll take a picture of sugar or whatever.
Didn't they have the baby powder in the
Oh wow,
roaster?
yeah. Wait. No, wait. We do it really like we do it in the Netherlands. Oh no, the border. Maybe it will check your.
No, I will. What's your last name?
Saat.
Saat.
In Turkish it means time. In Dutch it's almost like semen or sperm.
So your name is Yarisperm.
Well, you can translate it like that.
How do you spell it?
S-A-A-T.
Saat.
Yes.
And finish this, you get...
Sperm.
You get sperm. You get sperm.
In Turkish it's meant time, so it means you get sperm on time.
You get sperm.
And tell about the pula.
And in Swedish it means pulla. And in Finnish it means...
Pula.
A sweet pastry.
In Romania, pulla means dick. And have you seen an American Pie?
Do explain.
What should I explain? Let the Finnish girl explain.
You started this.
I don't know what you're saying.
Pulla is...
Good. But just first you eat pula, then you do pula, and then and then the other pula comes.
That's pulla.
That's pull up for you.
It's a legend.
Pula.
Everybody say pula.
Pulla. Okay, have you ever seen your horse legs before?
My horse.
Horse legs.
Horse legs.
Horse. That's the tricky part. That's the tricky part. Is it with a W or is it without a W?
Yeah, well, it's up to you.
It's like a centaur. Look at him.
You want to touch it?
I want to touch it. Film it.
Yeah, it's horse legs.
There you go, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
isn't that's the best, right?
It's yeah, I feel great. How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel really great.
Open it! Open it! It was
Fucking touch me. I don't let out any gases in the cabin.
No, I would have gone outside, Dutchman.
We heard you burp
Where?
and fart and everything.
Maybe we'll get sick or die.
I will heal you all.
Yeah, we got a doctor. Is this fine? We're covered.
Or all the movie.
We're covered. What if I get sick?
Well, then you're fine.
And you're fucked.
Netherlands. Netherlands.
Arashan.
Our train is leaving.
Sausage every day, huh?
Our train is leaving.
It's 1 hour.
This is our train.
Okay.
Are you sure this was 1 hour?
I don't think so.
Is that our train? Really?
I hope not. It's longer though.
We came from
the
that
front.
side.
On that side?
Yeah.
No, we're on the front to pay.
There might be a small chance we lost our train.
We could have lost our train because Nicholas is wasted.
Where is Jaren?
Where the fuck did they go? Are we like supposed to look things up?
I don't know.
Yeah?
I'm.
Yeah.
Finland.
Finland.
Det var lite väl Putin.
Putin!
Aber det sen.
Are we allowed to cross it? They got mad at us.
The train lady's on our side, so she'll take care of us. She won't leave without us.
Where's the wrong side? Shit. Do you guys at least have your passports?
I don't.
You
No.
don't?
No. No, I don't.
English, speak English, chut.
I think this is our train. I think we're covered actually.
Yeah, it better be.
He's here again.
Your train? Yes.
Yeah.
Your train as well.
Mongolia you nice?
I don't know.
First
Yes,
time.
first time.
This bad boy.
Bad boy.
Bad boy, bad boy.
Ugly bad boy.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Really good, but I play stuff.
Bonjour. Konnichiwa. Japanese, right? Bonjour.
I'll get on train.
Bye, man. Bye.
Fucking hell.
You like it, huh?
It was a good joke for them.
Freaking Mongolia.
They do it with every tourist.
Yeah, get up. Yeah, get up.
Shit my pants.
Scary as fuck.
We can drink vodka. And we have sushi.
I'm lucky I had some.
Whatever you want.
I'm destroying it. Fuck. I'm very sorry, not real Japanese.
Chinese with sushi.
I'm very fake.
No.
I'm sorry, I'm destroying everything here. I'm just gonna stop. Yeah, I'm sorry. You wanna eat? You wanna eat some, Kaisa?
Want to sniff?
I'll take one.
You wanna sniff? You're gonna sniff that? We're leaving and we're actually in the train, so.
Yeah. This time we're on the train.
Our friends are gone.
Yeah, they're on the train as well.
That's why everyone was laughing at it. Because everyone's going to the same train and we were panicking. This is our home in Mongolia.